Managing a project doesn't have to be complicated or require expensive tools. With Google Workspace, you can organize workflows, improve collaboration, and keep everything on track using tools you already use every day, like Gmail, Drive, and Calendar. While Google Workspace isn't specifically designed for project management, it can be transformed into a powerful system. In this guide, we'll show you step by step how to combine its features to streamline your projects so you can work confidently and stress-free. By the way, before we get started, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you did it already, make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss any updates. A well-structured project starts with proper organization. Begin by creating a Google group to centralize communication. Go to Google Groups, click Create Group, and fill in the details like the group name and description. Set privacy settings to ensure only team members can access conversations, then add them using their email addresses. This lets you send updates to everyone at once and manage group access easily. Next, set up a project space in Google Chat. This virtual hub is perfect for sharing files, brainstorming, and staying updated. Open Google Chat, click Create a Space, give it a name, and invite your team. This keeps discussions organized and ensures important files are always accessible in one place. To track milestones, deadlines, and meetings, create a project calendar. In Google Calendar, click Create New Calendar, name it, and share it with your team. Adjust permissions to allow edits and use color coding for clear visibility of tasks and milestones. When these tools are set up together, a Google Group for communication, a Google Chat space for collaboration, and a shared calendar for scheduling, you create a fully integrated system that eliminates miscommunication and missed deadlines. With everything in one place, your team stays aligned, organized, and ready to deliver results. Having all your project files organized, secure, and easy to access saves time and keeps your team efficient. Start by creating a shared folder in Google Drive to centralize everything. Name it something clear, like Project Files, and organize it with subfolders for categories such as Plans, Reports, and Meeting Notes. A clean structure makes it simple for everyone to locate what they need without wasting time searching through clutter. Set up permissions to manage file access. Right-click on the folder, select Share, and add your team's emails. Assign roles carefully. Editors can upload or change files, while viewers can only access them. These permissions prevent accidental edits and keep your documents secure. Uploading files is straightforward. Team members can drag and drop files into the shared folder, ensuring everything stays in one place. Tools like Google Docs make collaboration seamless, allowing teams to co-edit documents in real time and leave comments for feedback. Updates sync instantly, keeping everyone on the same page. If an error happens, like an accidental overwrite, Google Drive's version history feature allows you to restore previous versions of any file. By combining organized folders, secure permissions, and collaboration tools, your team stays aligned and efficient throughout the project.
If you're a project manager, entrepreneur, or someone looking to connect with some like-minded individuals like yourself, or if you're searching for tons of free project management tools and resources to start, grow, and excel, don't wait. Click the link in the description below and join our free school community today.
Planning is the foundation of any successful project, ensuring every step is clear and the team stays aligned. Google Workspace provides easy-to-use tools to create and manage your project plan. Start with Google Sheets to map out your project. Create columns for tasks, owners, due dates, and status updates. Use drop-down menus for the status column with options such as Not Started, In Progress, and Completed. Add conditional formatting to color code rows green for completed tasks, yellow for ongoing ones, and red for tasks not started. This setup provides a clear overview of progress at a glance. Once your plan is ready, sync deadlines with Google Calendar to make them visible. Add key dates from Sheets to calendar events, using colors to differentiate milestones, check-ins, and deadlines. Share the calendar with your team to ensure everyone knows important dates and can plan their schedules accordingly. To stay updated, enable notifications in Google Sheets. Go to Tools, select Notification Rules, and set alerts for any changes or deadline updates. These real-time notifications keep everyone informed, ensuring nothing important is overlooked. With Google Sheets for planning, Calendar for visualization, and notifications for updates, your team stays organized and on schedule. Missed deadlines and confusion become a thing of the past, and everyone always knows what's happening and what's next. Good communication is essential for any project, especially when your team is working remotely or across time zones. Google Chat makes it easy to keep everyone on the same page. Set up a dedicated chat space for your project and use threads to keep conversations focused on specific topics. Share updates, task reminders, or brainstorm ideas right in the chat. Important files and links can be uploaded directly, ensuring all project-related communication stays organized and accessible. For more in-depth discussions, Google Meet is your go-to. Schedule meetings through Google Calendar and include the Meet link for easy access. Use screen sharing to review plans or updates in real time, and take advantage of the chat feature to share links and key points without interrupting the flow. To avoid communication overload, keep tools centralized. Daily updates happen in Google Chat, while Google Meet handles collaborative discussions. This setup ensures your team stays connected without getting overwhelmed by endless notifications or scattered conversations. Tracking your project's progress is crucial, and Google Sheets makes it straightforward. Like we discussed earlier, use the status columns and drop-down options to create a clear, color-coded visual representation of the current status of each task. Google Sheets version history feature ensures transparency. You can see who made changes, when they happened, and what was updated. If something goes off track or is overwritten, restoring an earlier version is simple. When unexpected changes occur, tools like Google Sheets and Calendar make adjustments easy. Update timelines, reassign tasks, and notify your team instantly. Staying flexible ensures your project stays on course, even when challenges arise. Finishing a project well is just as important as starting it. To wrap up effectively, finalize your files in Google Drive. Change sharing permissions to View Only for all collaborators, locking files to prevent further edits. Organize these files into an Archived Projects folder for easy reference later. Create a project report to summarize your results. Use Google Slides to highlight key milestones, deliverables, and metrics. Include a section reflecting on challenges and successes, which can serve as a learning tool for future projects. By locking files and presenting a polished report, you protect your work and leave a lasting impression on stakeholders. This approach not only showcases results, but sets a high standard for your next project. You're now ready to take your project management skills to the next level with Google Workspace. Let's recap. You begin by building a solid foundation with email groups, chat spaces, and calendars. Next, you centralize and secure your files in Google Drive. Then, you plan and track progress using Google Sheets and Calendar, ensuring everyone stays aligned with real-time updates. Communication stays streamlined through Google Chat and Meet, keeping your team connected and on point. With these tools and strategies in place, managing projects becomes simpler, more organized, and way less stressful. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more project management and productivity tips. We would love for you to leave a comment about your experience with Google Workspace for project management. Thanks for watching. See you next time.